Good morning, everyone. No, this isn't a paint video. This is a reminder video. A reminder video that next week, September 15th through the 18th, we are going to be at Hershey for our Hershey meet and greet. If you haven't made your appointment yet, this is just a reminder to do so you can see gorgeous units like this one. If you have made it, we can't wait to see you. We're so excited. But again, that's September 15th through the 18th, Hershey, Pennsylvania. I will link a description on the screen and down below in the description, and we hope to see you then.